FX Replay's pricing might look straightforward, but does the cost match the value compared to other backtesting platforms? To find out, I analyzed both the intermediate and pro plans to see what traders actually get, and I compared them with other competing backtesting software too. So by the end of this video, you'll see what traders really get for their money, and whether FX Replay's pricing actually holds up compared to alternatives. But before we go deep into the details of FX Replay's pricing to figure out what is best for you, let's just get one thing clear first. Who is FX Replay actually built for? This platform is specifically created for retail traders. I'm talking about forex traders, crypto traders, and futures traders who want to practice and refine their strategies before risking real money. Think about it this way. If you're someone who's tired of guessing whether your strategy works, if you're tired of losing money to figure out what works in the first place, this tool is aimed directly at you. The strongest thing FX Replay has going for it is realistic market replay and backtesting, so you can replay past market sessions exactly as they happened. You can simulate real trade execution, and then you can analyze your performance with detailed analytics that actually tell you what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. But the real question is whether traders actually feel that the platform delivers on that promise. Here's a trader I came across who's been using FX Replay for a while. He said it's the first backtesting software he's used that truly feels modern and fully aligned with real trading conditions. He mentioned that FX Replay has all of the chart features he needs, which is very important for him. It allows him to simulate live markets while journaling seamlessly. He ended by saying that he highly recommends it for traders that are planning to become full-time. So I think this tells us something important. FX Replay isn't just for people who want to mess around with backtesting for fun. It's really built for traders who are serious about leveling up. Alright, now that we know exactly who this platform is built for, let's take a deeper look into FX Replay's pricing. I want to break down what you actually get for your money at each tier. And I do have to say, FX Replay keeps things pretty straightforward. They offer a free option to get started, and then there's 2 paid tiers above that. The pricing scales with your needs, which I always appreciate. So let me walk you through these plans, starting with the entry point that costs nothing. The free plan is exactly what it sounds like. It's free. You give them your email and you're in. This is perfect if you're a beginner who is just curious about backtesting, or if you just want to try it out. You can kick the tires, see if the platform feels right, and get a feel for how market replay actually works. But here's where it gets interesting. Once you're ready to move past the basics, you've got 2 paths forward, and the choice between them really comes down to a single question: how serious are you about your trading? Let's start with the intermediate plan because this is the next one up and it's where most developing traders will probably land first. This is priced for traders who are past the beginner stage, but maybe not ready to go all in yet. The key thing to understand about this tier is that it gives you real backtesting power, but with some limits. You get backtesting sessions, but they're limited to 10. Your max session duration is 6 months. Trade history sticks around for 6 months. You get 200 trades per session, 2 charts at once, 3 indicators, and the AI tools are also at an intermediate level. What you don't get with this plan is futures and stocks data, no seconds data either. So if you're someone who only runs a few strategy tests each week, the intermediate plan might actually be enough. But if you're running dozens of tests, building multiple strategies, and analyzing deeper data sets, those limits start getting in the way pretty fast. And that is exactly where the Pro plan comes in. The Pro plan is priced higher than the intermediate plan, but when you look at what's included, you start to understand why. Every major backtesting limit completely disappears. Sessions become unlimited, trades become unlimited, indicators become unlimited. The list goes on. Everything in the backtesting category that is limited in intermediate becomes unlimited in Pro. Now, one trader I came across said something in a review that really connects to all this. He said that FX Replay is amazing if you're really serious about trading and want to take the time to backtest a strategy and gain as much data on it as possible. He said it really helped him understand what he was doing right and what he was doing wrong. And that's the whole point, right? Not just to test, but to learn. Not just to run simulations, but to actually understand your strengths and weaknesses as a trader. But backtesting is only half the picture. What about access to trading data? So while the intermediate plan gives you economic calendar coverage for just 2 countries and limited analytics, the Pro plan gives you access to seconds data, futures and CME data, stocks, regular trading hours, unlimited economic calendar coverage, custom timeframes, unlimited analytics, testing exports and analytics sharing. and a bunch more. So that is a massive difference if you trade multiple markets or need deeper data to validate your strategies. Now let's talk about AI insights, because this is also where FX Replay really stands out from older backtesting tools. Both plans have Mentor AI, chart assistance, support and platform navigation, analytics insights, and trading strategies. But the Pro plan takes it further with advanced versions of all of these. Plus, you get Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 LLM access. What does that mean for you? It means that the AI is smarter. It means deeper analysis, better answers to your questions about your trading, and more. So if you're the type of trader who likes to really dig into the why behind your results, the advanced AI tools in Pro are worth a close look. And when you look into the strategy and simulation suite, both plans give you access to strategy analytics, a Monte Carlo simulator, and risk-reward simulator. But while the intermediate plan lets you manage only 3 strategies at once, the Pro plan gives you unlimited strategy management. But the question still remains, is FX Replay's pricing actually worth it, or is it overpriced for what you get? Well, here's my honest take after spending time using the platform and analyzing user experiences. If you're a trader who is actively working on improving, running multiple tests, and trying to build a strategy you can actually trust, the paid plans give you real power at a price that won't break you. I also dug into what other traders are saying on Reddit about FX Replay's pricing, and I found a thread where someone asked about FX Replay versus TradingView. He wanted to know which platform to use and other people's opinions. Another user jumped in and gave a really straightforward answer. He said that FX Replay logs all of your statistics automatically, and that alone makes it worth it for him. In another Reddit thread, someone asked if FX Replay is a good replay service for Forex tick by tick. Another trader then responded and said he just moved over from TradingView to FX Replay. He said that for backtesting, FX Replay is by far the better place to be. Clear metrics, strategy testing. He mentioned that he uses TradingView's charts, so you do get that familiar charting experience, but everything around it is 100% better in terms of backtesting. So I think that's an interesting perspective. You're allowed to use multiple tools, of course, and it's not saying that TradingView is bad, it's just saying that for this specific job, backtesting, FX Replay is the better tool. Now, if this is intriguing and you're ready to get started with FX Replay and you want to lock in the best possible deal, here's how to do it. Just check the description below this video and click the link to sign up, and that's it. We've worked directly to find the highest discount deals currently available for FX Replay. I'll keep that link updated, so if any new promos or discounts become available, you'll be the first to know. So click it now and enjoy.